Hello again and welcome back to our course on PowerPoint. In the previous section we created a brand new presentation, and what we want to do now in this section is to add some new slides, and the first slide in general in your presentation will always be a title slide. So, what we have here is a title slide, and I'm just going to start by adding some text to that title slide. So just click on the placeholder and type the title of the slide, and you can see underneath, it says click to add a subtitle. So again, I'm going to add a quick subtitle in here and just click away. I want to add another slide. Now I've already got a title slide, so I don't want to add another one, so I'm going to go up to my Home tab, and in the Slides group, I have a drop down that says New Slide, and it shows all of the different slide layouts that I have access to. I then have a title and content, so this will allow me to add a title to it, and then I have various different pieces of content that I can add to that slide as well. So, it might be a picture, it might be a chart, it might be some kind of diagram. I then have a section header slide, a to-content slide. So again, if I want a title running across the top and then two separate pieces of content, I might want to use that one. I have a comparison slide layout title only. I have a completely blank slide if I don't want any of the placeholders on there. I have content with captions, pictures with captions, so on and so forth. I'm going to choose a title and content slide, and you can see there it's giving me a new slide in that left-hand pane, and I now have two placeholders. So, the first one is for my title and the second one is for my content, and it says I can add text. And I could click there and I would have bullet-pointed text. Alternatively, I can choose to insert any of these elements into this slide. So it might be a table, a chart, a smart art, graphic video, online pictures, or a picture which I can browse on my PC. Now I'm going to add a title, and now what I'm going to do is add in some text, so I'm going to click where it says click to add text, and I'm going to add some text here also. And it's worth noting that if you don't want this text to be bulleted, you can just click and also just turn off those bullets. So, if you go up to the Home tab and into the paragraph group, you can see currently, I have my bullets turned on. If I just click that icon again, it will remove that bullet from the slide. I'm going to insert yet another slide, so I'm going to go back up to the new slide, and again, I'm going to select a title and content slide, and I'm going to click and add another title here and some text underneath. If I press Enter key, I will get another bullet point, and if I want a second level bullet, all you need to do is press the Tab key on your keyboard and that will tab that bullet. To revert it back to first level bullet point, just press Shift and Tab, and that will move that back and make that a first level bullet. So that's the basics of some slide layouts, and also using those bullets and some shortcut keys for indenting your text now. In the following sections we're going to be doing things like inserting pictures, graphics, smart art icons, etc., but for the time being, that's the end of this section, and I will see you in the next one.